he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am in a very special place that I've had on my list for a long time. Ever since I went to Iceland, I saw Spartafus waterfall. I've been intrigued by waterfalls that have column basalt on them. And so today I'm here to visit Abiqua Falls in Oregon. And from here you can hear the falls, you can hear the creek down there. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. I've been waiting for so long to see this waterfall. Let's go check it out. So far on this trail I've only seen two couples, one with a dog. It's spring 2021 and there's not many people here at all. The descent into the canyon is assisted by ropes tied off along the way onto roots, trees, and large coniferous trees that have fallen over. This portion of the trail can be dangerous, so just take caution if you're planning to visit Abiqua Falls, especially if it's been raining. There can be and were small loose rocks along the way. I wore a backpack down with about 20 pounds of camera gear in it, but if you have a small bag or a small backpack, you should be fine. Passed another couple with the dog heading back. The dog seemed like it was having fun. Okay, here it comes around the corner, and words just cannot describe the feeling I got when I saw Abiqua Falls for the first time. Alright guys, that's the end of the day here at Abiqua Falls. Today I got some good shots in and flew the drone a little bit. I love Oregon. I love the people. I love the landscape. I love the coastline. Some amazing people also down here enjoying it. This one gentleman called it therapy, and that's for certain. It's definitely therapy and it's good for the soul. So I'll catch back with you guys in a little bit. Okay, down the creek and time to put in some work to get back up out of the canyon. This time I came upon another rope-assisted ascent just before the previous trail that I took to descend, and this one was not as steep, but it was a little bit further of a hike. So there are two rope-assisted sections of the trail to get up or down fairly close to each other. Soon the shadows of the tree gave way to light and less of a grade, but the distance back to the parking lot was a little bit longer. What an amazing day was Abiqua Falls. If you ever get a chance to come out here and check out this area, they also have Silver Falls State Park. It's about an hour away from here. Definitely come see it. This place is absolutely worth it. Anyhow, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit the like button for me. I would highly appreciate it. Also, if you're interested in these kind of videos, travel videos, we're doing a lot more of these. Got a couple more days here in Oregon, so I'm looking forward to making more videos, guys. Thanks a lot for coming along. See you in the next one. All right. Peace.
I said, son, when you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Love Stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got. When you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got.